So finally some important milestone is now ready. Basically I have connected my guitar here to the new design, to TimeBomb VI, the distortion preamp made out of 4 Magic Eyes 6E5S. Basically I have not tried anything so far. Once again, this is a live demonstration, so I've hooked my guitar here to the input channel. Then I'm going through 4 stages of the triads, and I'm feeding the signal here into my trustworthy TimeBomb amp. Seems a bit rusted after not playing it for quite a while. And I'm going through the clean channel. That means the tone controls would not have any effect. Actually, they are bypassed, which is the setting of my, which is a design setting here. Whenever I use the clean channel, I bypass the tone stack. And then I've adjusted here the operation points accordingly. And here I can change the output level. And now I'm pretty curious to see if anything would come out. Let's say if I play here, I see a small modulation on the first channel. So basically now I would increase the volume here. Let's see if anything comes out. And here's a slight hum. Oh boy. That sounds terrible. Yeah, that sounds really terrible. That sounds terrible. I have to basically raise the gain here a bit. Well, that was it. And then probably have to decrease the volume here quite. Oh yeah. Nah. Oh boy, that's very shitty sounding. Yeah, and I know pretty well why, because I've used a lot of capacitors here to bridge the interstage dividers, and I knew that would already be too much, so I'm emphasizing very much the overtones and the high frequency, so that's shit. Yeah, I would say that is not yet what I'm thinking about. No way. Yeah, I thought about this already last night. So basically I used all these bright caps here on each of the interstage dividers. I was a bit afraid this might be too much, and that's what I hear now. I hear a huge amount of overtones. So that we can consider as not so much what I wanted. So basically I will just unsolder all these bright caps quickly, and then we give it another shot. Okay, so I've removed these bright caps from the interstage dividers. Now we should have less overtones and a more full sound, I hope at least. Okay, let's try. Power. And fine, but there's practically no distortion. Let's try a bit more gain. Sounds horrible to my taste, and I'm pretty disappointed. That would be still a lot of work. See, bright caps are not to be underestimated. That's the bright cap I'm using on the final volume divider. Why don't we just try to at least use that one? Because here's the final divider where I determine the level of output towards the amp. And this is also like a low pass filter, so probably I use this bright cap. Let's now see. But yeah, that's not high gain, that is basically anything but high gain. I will just play a bit around now with the cathode resistors and with the interstage dividers. in here. Plus one problem. Plus one problem, I cannot really tell how many gain I get now from this one, and then here I'm using the clean channel, but I'm not really sure about the signal here. My scope is set on 2 dividers per, no, I think I'm overdriving also the clean stage here. Not really good. No way. So let's consider this as a slight fail for the moment, but of course we will not give up. That was the very first test out of a design which probably has never been implemented before by using 4 magic eyes as distortion valves. So what I have to do is probably I think I have to change once again this bright cap here on the output divider. Make sure that I'm basically running a signal into the amp which is comparable to a guitar signal, because right now I think I'm running here with at least 6 volt peak to peak, which is certainly overdriving the input stage even if it's on the clean channel. Yeah, I think I'll just do some minor modifications here and then we'll have another try. Okay, so first of all I have left out one of the bright caps from the first stage. I've removed that as well. Then I adjusted with a signal generator, checked that here we basically have an output of 1 volt peak to peak, which is more or less the same like a guitar would give. And so now we have no bright caps at all. Let's try again. Slight distortion, but still far away from what I would like to hear. Plus I think I need another small bright cap, maybe 100 pico or 47 pico, let's see, something rather small. Now let's try 47 pico. We have some humming, but I've switched off the supply voltage, so nothing can happen here. I can't get zapped. Well, but better be safe than sorry. Let's completely switch off the power. A slight hum that's probably coming from, well, actually I don't know where it's coming from. Let's use this very small bright cap here. Soldering Okay, let's give it another try. Getting somewhere. Choking, so we have some capacitor which are too large still. Yeah, it's not following my, when I'm hitting the notes, it's not following. That means either one of these capacitors, cathode capacitors, is too large. Well, for a start, I think it's okay. For a start, here's some smell. No, not coming from here. Coming from here. Okay, let's cut the video right now.